Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak Kumar, and today I am back with another one of my projects named Meal Explorer. Now, in this website, we have displayed all the kinds of meat food in this section. We have also added some categories like beef, chicken, dessert, lamb, pasta, and etc. Also, in the home section, you can check for the details. Here you will find the name, instruction to prepare, and its ingredients. And if you like the meat, then you can add it to the like section. In the search section, you can also search for any meal you want. Like I'm searching for any meal which contains the name egg. Now you can see all the meals here which contains the name egg are represented. Now let's try adding some to the like meal section. I have added two right now. And now let's check the like meal section. You can see there there are two meals which I have added to the like section. One is air fryer egg rolls, and second one is eggplant adobo. Now let's check for the details. If we can open it or not. You can see all the details are here. Now if you want, you can remove them from this section. Now for this project, I've used the API of the MealDB, and I have used React.js for front-end creation and its search section, and I have called APIs to display all the results here. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, then please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And please don't forget to comment for and in description. We will provide GitHub and demo link in the description section. Thank you.